Hey guys and gals, Mr. Know-It-All here, and we are going to share with you how to keep your seals that you have in storage protected from any type of deterioration. Real quick method, you can use it on the smallest seals. This kit here for one of my motorcycles is $85, and I'm not ready to put it in, but they dry out really quick. This is all you have to do. Take this stuff right here, you can find it in the tools list.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción del video para todas las herramientas.
Put it on your finger, it's safe, and you just smear it on the seal. Make sure you cover the whole thing, just like this. Do every seal you have, put it back in the bag, and those will last for years and years until you get to them without them being all crumbly and falling apart on you. Mr. Know-It-All, out.